Action.
Junkers unite.
Why? Why, Joe?
Today's a special day, Junkers. We're gonna change the oil.
Oh, yeah, well, welcome to the channel. Fun and exciting stuff. Our flavor of choice is the old high dollar Valvoline.
2050 VR. High zinc.
A good old fashioned Ford oil filter.
FL1A.
FL1A. Clear zoom on bay one.
Ah, shit. Bringing it back to the old school.
Clear zoom bay one. But there's also going to be a bonus reveal in this video. There's a surprise ending, so stay tuned to the very end. Watch till the very end because
watch till the end.
There's a surprise ending.
The drain plug's hot.
Oh, yeah, I believe it. Mind the fingers.
Fingers.
Mind the heat. Joe just changes oil right when it gets off the highway.
Just right off the highway, man.
Straight off the road. Drop the plug. Let it roll. You're psyching me out every time, bro. It's like a cliffhanger. Oh, there she goes.
Gotta be quick like cat.
Man, that oil is black as my ex-girlfriend's soul, and I ain't kidding. That's good. It'd be pulling the impurities out of everything. Soaking it up. So yeah. That's what's happens.
That's what's happened.
Junkers get up early on a Saturday to change oil.
I ain't even been out of bed 20 minutes.
I did have to wake up the Junker today. I think I probably came earlier than you were expecting.
Well, I actually woke up at like 6:45, and I was like, man.
Oh, not that early.
Not this early.
That's about what time I woke up.
And I laid back down, and I was like, and I'm laying there having a wonderful dream.
Oh, man.
And then I feel the clean van go. I'm like, oh, hell no.
Oh, hell no.
I knew who it was.
Housekeeping.
If it was in the middle of the night, somebody had been getting capped.
Housekeeping. You want me?
Stay strapped.
You want me to change oil?
Stay strapped. You get clapped.
Hey, this looks like they started putting a new sticker on them.
What?
They changed the design, bro.
Oh. Oh, dude, it doesn't have the flapper in it anymore either.
What?
No silicone flapper.
Come on, Ford. We be dependent on you.
But where's the box?
It's a freaking FL1A. They didn't change.
I did so.
They didn't change the box. That'd be looking the same. Weird.
It says printed in the USA. Majority content made in USA. What does majority content mean?
Yeah, I don't know.
Now the question is, did Chuck over tighten the filter?
Dude, it glues itself on there no matter how lightly I tighten it, dude.
Yeah, everybody's got stories.
It spins the filter on. Spins its hand. Oh yeah, she hot, ain't she?
Yeah.
Glug, glug.
You know, we could make this easy on ourselves and drop it off the jack stands, but why do that?
Right. Sometimes you just gotta do the wrong way the right way. Or
the wrong thing the right way.
yeah, that's it. Coming down on bay one. Okay, well that's it. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, it would be nice to have a mirror over here.
Yeah, I know, right? So what's the story? This guy shows up with this red Corvette, and then what?
Well, he shows up with this red Corvette, and he says that it makes a little bit of low-end noise when it's dead cold on an initial cold startup.
So this is our donor car here.
Yep. 2000 Corvette.
Oh, it's a 2000?
C5.
So that means...
The Z06 engine, they dynoed it, and it made almost 400 horsepower out the wheels.
Nice.
Yeah.
So basically that dude be kicking down his LS to the junkers.
To the junkers. And this is what we pulled out of it. The scab be getting a Corvette engine.
So this is an LS1.
LS1.
It's a 347 cubic inch, something like that?
5.7, so it'd be a 350 cubic inch. Aluminum block, aluminum heads.
So yeah, that's what be happening next.
Mm-hmm. Here's the wiring harness
So
for it over here.
what you're trying to say is this will make it faster than the 4.3 that's in there?
Maybe
right
a
now?
little bit.
Maybe a little bit.
I mean, maybe a lot of bit.
Maybe a lot of bit. So yeah, there it is.
There it is.
LS1 for the scab. Junkers be changing oil and buying LS1 motors.